Okay, so just keep adding to this. Try different things that you could do. I also put a website for you in Google Classroom. So it's this free SVG file. So if you don't like what Tinkercad gives you, you can kind of look here. So I'm going to look for like a chair. And they have all these different chairs. And then what you do is once you find the chair that you like let's say I like this one, I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to download it. And I'm going to download the SVG file because when we're working in Tinkercad, we're going to work with SVG files. I'm going to go back to Tinkercad. I'm going to click import, choose file, and I'm going to get that chair. And the other thing you need to do is you need to size it, because watch what happens when I don't resize it, when I don't scale it. I'm going to click import. And notice it's taking a long time. And look how big the chair came out. That's not what we want. Let's undo it. Let's try it again. I'm going to go over here, click import, choose my file, click on the chair. And this time I'm going to scale it to about 10%. Let's try this now. Okay, I'm going to hide the room again. Pick up this chair, and I still need to size it. It's pretty big. So I use the little handles. Now it's sized and I can move it in my work plane. Put it where I want it. Bring back my room. Oh, let me pick it up by using the upside down ice cream cone. And once you see it in the room, you might want to resize it again because it seems pretty darn big. And also, here's the other thing, folks. If you forget how to do something, just open up a new Tinkercad tab. Click on Resources, go back to your Learning Center. And if you don't know how to align something, or you don't know how to make a hole, or copy something, go back in and look at these because they're going to help you. And also, just so you know that this project is probably going to take you a couple of days, and it will go in the Q2 gradebook. Well, I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much. If you have any questions, please help each other. Have a great day. Bye.